and hope you're well. Welcome to today's video. So today I just thought I'd do a quick October favourites, what I've been loving this whole of October, and yeah, that's about it. It's finally getting a bit gloomy and windy, which I'm loving because this October has just been really hot, and I don't know about you, but I really want to wear my coats and jumpers. So this morning it was lovely and blustery and windy, and I love that. I love that feeling when all the leaves are whizzing around and the colours are changing finally. And it just makes for nice filming as well because you don't get any yellow tinge of light. So that's great. And it's spooky season, which I love. So a few things I've picked up actually, which I'm really liking. Oh look, the sun's just come out. Right, I spoke too soon. Right, that's it. Okay, we're back. It's like an eternal summer. Yeah. Okay, first things first, I picked this up. This is the Garnier Body Superfood 48-hour moisturiser in a tub. This smells absolutely incredible. It smells like fruit, like really fruity, really summery, which is weird because it's autumn, but it's really summery, and I love a pot like this where I can just scoop out cream and put it on and it makes you feel clean, and it's drugstore, so it's good. Hydrates skin up to 10 layers, 96% natural, aloe vera and magnesium. The smell of this is beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's not that kind of, it's that kind of juicy fruit, summery smell. It's hard to describe, but it's really, really nice. I love it. I also picked up this because everyone's going on about this. Got to be, it's an eyebrow, oh yeah, got to be glued for brows and edges style gel. So it's just a clear gel like this, but it's really good. So before you do your makeup, brush up the brows and it just puts them in place. And then when you put your brow product on, it just goes on a lot nicer. It's really, really good. And I think if you're doing like a high ponytail or something, you can use this for the edges as well. But I really like this, and it kind of gave me an idea of what my brows might look like laminated, brushing them all up, and I thought, oh, that's a bit. So I brushed them all up and then, you know, smooth them down. Quite nifty, you know. It's not just a clear gel, it's like a holding gel, basically. So I quite like that. I kept seeing it. Every time I went into Boots and Superdrug, I saw it and I was like, if I decide to get it at a later point and it's not there, yeah, everything's sold out. This is the other thing. Everything I want, like everything, is sold out. I want a pair of brown leather look leggings, size petite, sold out. You know, I don't know, I've never seen anything like it, where things are like sold out. Like one person puts something on Instagram stories and it's gone. It's like, it's so weird. So I'm like, do you know what? Like everything on that adenola, everything is out. Everything, like everything I click on, it doesn't matter what it is, it's out. So I'm like, do you know what? I'm not gonna look at anything anymore. Like, forget it. The next thing I bought, upon recommendation from one of you lovelies, is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Glow Booster for Radiant Skin. I got this in the shade Light 2, and it's really, really good. Hold on. And I've got it under my foundation now, and I've got to say it's really good. Like, it's exactly like the Charlotte Tilbury. But I think I prefer it. It goes on really well. That's what it looks like. It's got hyaluronic acid in it. Look at that. I mean, that is gorgeous. And I just buff it over my skin like a primer. Look at that. It smells really nice. And it just gives like a glow underneath. Even if like you don't want to wear any makeup and you want to just wear this, it's really nice. And I've worn it under my BareMinerals as well, and it is really, really, really nice as well. So like that a lot. Then I got, well, this was a birthday present. I got my Malone Blackberry Bay. Love it. Love it so much. Not wearing any perfume today because I've got like a migraine, so that's brilliant. But I need to film because I've got to get some videos up, so there we are. And then the last thing I got, well, I've been loving, I mentioned it on Instagram, is this, it's by Just Spices, and it's the Cocoa Banana Porridge Spice. Now they do lots of different ones. They do spices for eggs, pancake spice, lasagna spice. They do spices for everything. These are brilliant. These are so good. I get it in Waitrose, and I mean, I think they're just fantastic. You can just put this on anything. It's just like a little topping. You know, if you're like me and is obsessed with porridge, and well, I say if you want to change it up, I don't want to change it up. The only thing I change up in the winter, autumn winter, is that I switch the fresh berries for dates, and I chop up 2 dates and I mix that in. And then I still have my peanut butter or almond butter and honey and cinnamon. So I kind of, that's what I'm obsessed with at the moment. I have to have the dates. Like the berries, it's like it's over for me now. Berries are, I don't touch the berries till summer. So this is really a really nice topping. It's so nice, very nice. If you haven't tried these, you must. Next is my nails. I love my nails. I got the shade is shellac. It's not a shellac, it's the gel bottle, and the shade's chocolate. Loving, very loving. And that's it for now. I will be coming and doing a video on the implants, but I think we should sit down with a coffee and do that and like not rush it. So I will do that. So bear with. In the meantime, I hope you're all really well, and I will chat to you soon. Bye.